Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can customize VS Code to the next level. If you're on Windows, the customization can be limited, but if you're on Linux, the customization is endless. So if you're on Linux like me, follow the steps along with me. If you're also like a Windows user and you're on Windows, no problem, you can follow the steps except for one step which I'll be telling you in the video later on. So many of the new users don't even know how to install VS Code on Linux, so I'll be teaching them how to install VS Code, and then after that I'll be showing you how you can customize your VS Code. So first of all, open any web browser. I'm using Firefox for this case, and after that what you can do is go to the search bar and type VS Code download. That's it. You can type VS Code download and click on the first link that appears, and after that what you can do is click on the .dev if you're on Debian based distros like me, and I have already downloaded this so I don't have to download this again. After that what you can do is open up a terminal. After that hit an ls. If you see that the file is not here, what you can do is cd to downloads and ls. You will see the file here. So in this case, where is the code file? Okay, it's not here. I probably deleted it, so I'll reinstall it and show it to you. VS Code download, and after that what you gotta do is click on the download button after clicking on the link like this, .dev, Debian, and Ubuntu, but there are other distros as well, so don't worry if you're using any other distros. I'm using Kali Linux, but it's not a big deal. Okay, it's taking lots of time to download, so I'll basically tell you what the process is. So what you've got to do is, after you're on the directory of the file, you can type dpkg-i and then the name of the file, and that'll install it for you, so not a big deal. After installing the file, what you can do is open up VS Code, Visual Studio Code, wait a second for the first launch, and after that you'll get this kind of window that is called VS Code, right? And click on the button that says extensions, and after clicking on that button, what you can do is type blur Linux. So this is the step that the Windows users are requested not to follow. Except this one, you can follow every other step along with me. So click on the button that says install, wait a second, and the installation process is taking a bit of time, so till then we'll install the requirement. There is a command given down below in the description, so we can copy the command from the description given in the VS Code application itself and go and paste it on the terminal that you use. Okay, let me paste it like this. My password has been entered, so everything is good. Now I can exit the terminal, and you can see that the VS Code has some kind of background blur. So if you want the blur to be looking just good as mine, what you can do is click on the settings and set the blur opacity to 88. And after that what you can do is you can go to the search bar once again and type Tokyo Night. Let's see if this works. If this doesn't work, whatever. Let's see. I want this to be working. This will probably work. Yeah, it'll work. No doubt in that. So let's let it get installed. This is a beautiful theme that makes your VS Code really pretty. Okay, Tokyo Night Light, Tokyo Night Storm. You can select any one of them, so let me select the default Tokyo Night, and once you're on full screen mode, this is how it looks. So I can click on this and let's write some code, or let's copy from Google and make this full so it'll give us a feel like if it's good for using, or if we switch the theme and you know, it'll get better. So let's see. What code can I type? Okay, COD code in Python to make a Pygame. Okay, simple code, right? Let's go there and Python game development library. Okay, it's just about the library probably. Code, I want some code right now. Okay, this website probably. Now, right now I'll scroll a bit down and finally, no, the code is not here. What should I do? Okay, let's copy the HTML code of a website tutorials, pygame.org. Right click and view page source. After that, just Control A, Control C, and okay, there's a problem. This file is not that file, so no problem. We just want to look at how the files look, how the code looks. So this looks absolutely beautiful, at least according to me. Wow. So we just saw how beautiful our VS Code can look with this extension. So if you like the video, just go and subscribe to my channel, and that's all I want. So after this tutorial, you'll probably not need any other tutorial just to customize your Linux. So that's it for the video, and if you didn't like the video, feel free not to subscribe to my channel and dislike the video. Thank you. See you in the next one.